Safe once she's released on bail, for she may not be well received by the community where she resides and where she works in the premises. Accused number 2, since there were no sureties and she has not yet clocked the 60th day.
Hello. Kali sip. Mina je bali.